family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is selinazinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In 2016, I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata. So I stopped using chemicals, I stopped using relaxer, I went natural, and since then I've been using only natural ingredients to grow my daughters and myself hair out. This is one ingredient that I used a lot during that time, so I'm now revisiting it. I'm gonna be going in with 2.5 tablespoons of black healing soap. I'm now going in with 1.5 cups of room temperature distilled water. My Secret growth oil. This is my all-natural Ayurvedic growth oil, which composed of 21 different ingredients. I will be adding in 1 tablespoon of that. Neem oil is one oil that you always want to keep around you. Please make research on it. It treats any scalp and skin issues. I'm now going in with my vitamin E oil. This oil stimulates capillary growth in your scalp, which in turn supports hair growth. It prevents breakage and split ends. Its antioxidants even boost hair's elasticity and shine. Vegetables Glycerin is a natural humectant. It pulls moisture out from the air into your hair. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of that. Extra virgin olive oil are rich in many nutrients. It leaves your hair shining and soft. It also nourishes your hair. Biotin is a B vitamin which is great for your hair. It allows the hair to grow stronger and thicker. It even gives you healthy hair. I'm now going in with my Saw Palmetto powder. This is a DHT blocker. DHT is a hormone that is responsible for our hair growth issues. One study shows that rosemary oil works as same as minoxidil, but just without the scalp irritation. It also helps thicken your hair and it also encourages hair growth. After, just give your ingredient a good mixture, and then we are going to leave this for 24 hours. So I will come back tomorrow for us to move to the next step. This is the next day. I'm just going to give our mixture a last stir so that I can mix all the ingredients together. As you can see, the black soap have dissolved completely. I'm now just going to transfer it into a applicator bottle for easy application on the scalp. This will make it easy for you to just apply it directly to your scalp and also your hair. Now, I know many of you guys will ask me how to store this. I normally keep it in the fridge. You can use this for up to 1.5 months. So this is the shampoo I'm going to be using on our hair for this whole month. I'm pretty sure it's not even going to last us that long because it's 3 people that are going to be using this. So let's just go and let's demonstrate this shampoo for you guys to see how well it works. I always love to pre-pull my hair before going in with my shampoo. So I already did that with Sonia here. I just rinsed the pre-pull out. I'm now applying the shampoo directly to her scalp, and then I will also run the shampoo down her hair shaft just so that Both her scalp and her hair can benefit from all the vitamins and nutrients this shampoo has to offer. You will notice that this shampoo will cleanse your hair beautifully without it stripping out all your natural oils. This shampoo works amazingly great. You will see how well it foams also. And no, none of these ingredients are sponsored. I use my own coins to buy all of these ingredients. African black soap is full of vitamins and minerals. Magnesium makes your hair grow like crazy, and it is one of the properties that is found in African black soap. As we all know, our hair grows from our scalp and within our hair follicles. So when you use this soap, you are nourishing your hair follicles, you are nourishing your scalp, and also your hair strands. This soap composed of vitamins and minerals, which promote circulation in your scalp. In turn, you are going to get incredible hair growth from it. The good thing about this recipe, as I mentioned earlier, it just cleans your hair, but it leaves your hair soft and nourished. African black soap is also antiviral. It can also be used on your skin to heal any skin ailment. And this is one of Africa's best healing secret ingredients. This can also increase the amount of growth to your hair. After, I'm just going to rinse it out completely. And then I will show you guys how her hair is looking. And then I will go and apply my deep condition treatment to her hair. I have so many deep condition treatments on my channel. I will leave some down below in the description box for you. So this is how her hair is looking. Very clean, very soft, and very, very moisturized. Nowadays, I'm in serious trouble, family. Anytime I'm doing Sonia and myself hair, Aurora also wants her hair done. I was waiting for her to reach at least like 5 years old before I start to do DIY treatments on her. But I guess it's gonna start at the age of 3. So I'm also just going to use this shampoo on her. Just make sure that you keep it away from your kids' eyes if you are using it on them. After the deep condition treatment, I just load your hair in braids using my S Secrets Growth Oil, my aloe vera shampoo, and my loqua leaf solution. If you love this video, do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.